All right, in this video we are going to practice evaluating piecewise functions. It's just a matter of paying attention to the domain. Samuel! Keep your head up and your eyes open, buddy. This part of the function, all right, the domain of each piece tells you which parts you're going to use. Let me keep my colors matched up here. So if the x value is greater than -1, I'll use the top function. If the x value is less than or equal to -1, I'll use the bottom function. It's as simple as that. So if the x value is 4, am I going to use the top function or the bottom function? Going to use the top. Okay, 4 is greater than -1, so I'm going to use the top function. So that tells me using the top function, so this should be 4 squared, which is going to be 16. Okay, so that's it for that one. So looking at this one, okay, Gabriela, are we going to use the top function? We're looking at number 8. Are we going to use the top function or the bottom function on this one? We're going to use the top function, all right, because this tells us we'll use the top function for x values that are less than or equal to -3. And of course, we are equal to -3, so we're going to use the top function. So that means the top function says 2x, so that's 2 times -3, so that's -6. All right, am I losing anybody? Okay, so, and this one. You guys know what these symbols mean, right? Absolutely. This is absolute value. What happens when you take the absolute value of something? What if I have the absolute value of -6?
6.
That's 6. What if I have the absolute value of +6? It's still +6. Okay, absolute value makes everything positive. Technically, it's the distance from 0, but it makes everything positive. Anyway, just keep that in mind. So, let's see. So, RJ, am I going to use the top function or the bottom function for this problem? It's going to be the top function, all right, for x values greater than or equal to 0, and 3 is definitely greater than 0. So we use the top function. So that means we're doing the absolute value of 3 minus 2. But the absolute value of 3 is just 3. So it's just 3 minus 2. So it's just going to be 1. So the answer is just going to be 1.